Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can put f and e to the power over of s. Next, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Now we can put the limit go in here, so we just focus on this one. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have e to the power of s. This one that is about 2s. And now if s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So that means we continue using L'Hospital. So we have like this. And we know that this one will go to positive infinity. So that means the value of this one equals to positive infinity when we put inside about natural law. This is the end. Thank you for watching.